instructions without any real pattern to follow.
FlightHub includes a built-in team management system that enables large organizations to better organize and communicate with more extensive drone fleets. A three-level hierarchy categorizes user permissions based on their role, project, or region. Administrators oversee the entire fleet and assign captains to construct and manage their own teams of pilots.
FlightHub has made it significantly easier for the Dronesaf drone team to manage all of our pilots, our logging abilities, our maintenance process, and share data and information to all of our internal stakeholders, which has allowed us to get more buy-in with the new technology in a very old industry.
With commercial drone use on the rise, FlightHub sets the stage for future enterprise users to unify and coordinate their drone fleets in a comprehensive solution for managing their aerial operation.